Hey, what is up guys? Today we are doing an unboxing of the MetaQuest 2 and I also got the Elite strap, so we're going to do an unboxing of both. And without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So I got this MetaQuest 2 for my birthday. The MetaQuest 3 was like $500 and I wasn't paying that. And I had some cousins of mine get the MetaQuest 2 and I tried it a couple of times and I thought it was super cool. So I thought I was definitely going to buy it. And so far, pretty good. I've found a couple of games that I'd like to play on it. One of them is Gorilla Tag, but that's mainly just full of little kids screaming all the time. So I'm trying to find some more free games. A lot of the good ones like Beat Saber and Super Hot, I think, is like $30, and I didn't really pay anything. I paid $50 for it because it's my birthday. So yeah, I'm not really looking to spend like hundreds of dollars on VR games, but this Elite strap is very hard. I don't know why it's not coming off. Oh, I need scissors. The Elite strap doesn't actually come with the head. Ow. The Elite strap doesn't actually come with the headset. You have to buy it with the headset. I'm pretty sure altogether, even with the discount, it was like $213, because I only got this because they oh my goodness, my camera. I only bought this because it was like, I think 25% off, and that lowered it down to that lowered it down to $200. So I was like, bet this is a great opportunity to buy one. This Elite strap is still not coming off. Oh my goodness. I hate this boxing. This is an awful kind of boxing, dude. All right, let's strap this bad boy. Ooh. Yo, that's pretty cool. Is that all it comes with? I think that's it. It comes with the manual. Alright, I'm gonna definitely need the manual to get this on. But yeah, it already comes with the head strap, but I'm pretty sure this is just for extra comfort. But I'm gonna have to figure out how to put it on. Alright, so to use this thing, there's a screw thing back here that you tighten, and that kind of does most of it. But if you really need the head strap, do a little bit of that, and then boom, we are all situated. This actually does kind of feel better, and yeah, I think this is better than the regular strap, honestly. So I got the thingies, and this does feel better than the regular strap. It's like my, how do I describe this? The headset doesn't like come forward, and it doesn't make like what I'm seeing blurry at all. That's pretty cool. That's kind of everything that I wanted to show. Unbox the VR, how to put it on, and all that stuff. Once you unbox it and put it on, it'll take you through a tutorial, and you got to put your Wi-Fi in, and you got to set things up. You can even set a boundary, and yeah, that's kind of what happens. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Adios.